Can immigrant families apply for small business microloans? Are you wondering if immigrant families can access small business microloans? This is a great question, and the answer is yes. Immigrant families can indeed apply for these loans, including those offered through the Small Business Administration Microloan Program. However, there are some important eligibility requirements to keep in mind. First, let's talk about immigration status. Naturalized citizens have the same eligibility as United States citizens for Small Business Administration loans. They just need to indicate their status on the loan application. Lawful permanent residents, also known as green card holders, can also apply. If you are newly arrived, you can still apply with a valid immigrant visa and proof of lawful residence. Now, what about non-United States residents? If you are lawfully in the United States with a current work visa, you may qualify as well. Refugees and asylees who have lawful permanent resident status are also eligible for these loans. This means that having legal authorization to live and work in the United States is essential for applying for Small Business Administration microloans. Next, let's look at the details of the Small Business Administration Microloan Program. These loans can go up to $50,000, which is perfect for small or startup businesses. The program is open to all eligible small business owners, including minorities and immigrants. To qualify, at least 51% of the business must be owned by someone from a socially and economically disadvantaged background, which includes many immigrant entrepreneurs. When applying, you will need to show that you are creditworthy and able to repay the loan. However, not having collateral or significant assets does not automatically disqualify you. The Small Business Administration Microloan Program also offers access to business mentorship and training support, which can be very beneficial for immigrant families starting or growing a business. Now, let's discuss the documentation and application process. The Small Business Administration requires thorough documentation. This includes immigration paperwork, business plans, credit history, and financial records. The process can involve a lot of paperwork and may take some time, so being prepared and organized is key. You should be ready to provide personal guarantees and possibly collateral, depending on the lender's requirements. For practical advice, start by checking your immigration status and ensuring you have the necessary legal work authorization. Gather all relevant documents, including visas, green cards, or refugee status paperwork. It may also be helpful to work with a loan specialist or a community organization that supports immigrant entrepreneurs to navigate the application process. Additionally, take advantage of Small Business Administration resources like mentorship and training to strengthen your business plan and credit profile. You might also want to explore local nonprofit lenders or community development financial institutions that may offer microloans with more flexible criteria tailored to immigrant families. In summary, immigrant families with lawful status in the United States can apply for small business microloans, especially through Small Business Administration programs designed to support socially and economically disadvantaged business owners. These loans provide an accessible way to obtain capital for starting or expanding a small business, along with valuable support services to help immigrant entrepreneurs succeed.